Good day everyone, in this video I will review this watch Casio W735H, which has this special feature, vibration alarm. First, for the size, it is 51.4mm long, 47.1mm wide and 16.1mm thick, and for the weight is 50 grams. For the case and the bezel is made of resin, and then the strap is also made from resin like this, and then the crystal is also from resin. This watch also supports 100-meter water resistant, and it has 10-year battery with CR2032. Now let's take a look in more details. It has two buttons on the left side, adjust and mode, and it also has two buttons on the right side, split and start. And it also has this one button on the front for the light. What I like about the buttons is that they have this texture and also protected by the bezel, but it will means that we need to move our finger a bit to the back to push it, so it's not easily pushed from this position. We need to move a little back. Next, for the bezel, it is held by 4 screws, so this bezel is removable. I maybe will show you in another video. And then it is also protecting the crystal, although not so much, but still it has this protruding position at the top, bottom and also left and right. For the display, we have this 1 until 5 second indicator, and this is for the 6 until 10 second indicator, and then this is for the features indicator for vibration, split, alarm and signal. And then on the main display we have this day, month, date, and then PM, hour, minute and second. And at the bottom we have this indicator for timer, stopwatch, alarm and dwell time. For the backplate, it uses stainless steel engraved with the specifications, and it is held in place by 4 screws, and somehow it is covered by the strap stopper like this, so meaning that if you want to open the case, you need to also open the strap. The strap is fixed to the case and bezel by using 18mm spring bars, and yeah, the strap itself looks quite good, although not so thick. And this is the tail side, and it uses this plastic buckle. Okay, and then for the backlight, this watch is using super illuminator LED, so it's very bright. Let me show you. And looks very good. It also features afterglow for about 1.5 seconds. The next one is for the vibration feature. So from this timekeeping mode, we can press and hold the start button, and it will activate the vibration mode. The vibration itself feels like a light tap to the wrist, so it is good for reminder, but it's not strong enough for wake-up alarm. So if you want to buy this watch to have the vibration for your wake-up alarm, then you might get disappointed. Now let's take a look at the features of this watch. This is the timekeeping mode, and then next is the timer mode, but sadly the timer mode has no auto repeat. Okay, and then the next one is the stopwatch, which has this auto start, and then alarm. This alarm also has the signal or the hourly chime, and then this watch also has dwell time. Now time for wrist shot. My wrist size is about 17.5 centimeters. As we can see here, it's a bit too tall, but still okay. And then we also have this slide cap under the strap. Still comfortable, but it's just not holding the wrist perfectly. Maybe my wrist size is a bit too small for this. So if your wrist size is under 17.5 centimeters, then you might expect to have more gap than this one. Okay, now time for the pros and cons. For the pros, this watch has a very good backlight, the super illuminator, and then also it has this vibration alarm, which is cool. It also supports many features, and the build quality is also good. On the other side, I also have some notes for this watch. First is that the countdown timer has no auto repeat. And then the watch is a bit tall at 16.1 millimeters. And then for the vibration, you can only choose between vibration and beep, so you cannot have both vibration and beep active. And also the vibration is not strong enough if you want to use it as a wake up alarm. In my opinion, this watch is suitable for outdoor use and then low light condition, and also if you want a silent operation with notification from the vibration, for example if you are in a recording studio and so on. I really like this watch for the vibration alarm and also the backlight, but sadly with no auto repeat for the countdown timer, maybe I will wear this watch less than the other. Anyway, that's all for my review. In overall, this watch is worth it. If you're looking for a watch with vibration alarm and good backlight, then this is the one. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.